Hallo mense, ek is in Koos van die Groot Karoo. Maar iets wat ek nie besef het nie, wat iemand nou die dag my aandag op sit is dat ek het nog heel wat Engelse aanhangers. En daartoe 'n versoek gekom dat ek met 'n Engelse storie vertel. Nou, maar ek ken geen Engelse storie nie. Ek sal maar 'n storie in Engels vertaal. Nou ja, hier gaan hy. One day I was driving with my bakkie there on the farm. And then all of a sudden I realized there was something wrong with the one front wheel. Now I climb out and I check, and then I see I've driven over a pofadder snake, and the pofadder bite right through the tire, and the wind blows through the poisonous fangs into the pofadder. Now the pofadder was big, round, inflated, and the tire was flat. Now the other problem was my spare wheel was also flat. Now, but I'm a man for a plan. Then I start by the tail end of the pofadder snake, and slowly I am stepping the wind back from the pofadder into the wheel. Now the pofadder was flat again and the wheel was inflated. Now the other problem is when I get off the pofadder, the wind blows back into the pofadder. So I must now make another plan. So while I was standing on the pofadder snake, I take the lace out of my felt shoe and I tie the pofadder off behind his head with a sailor's knot. And then I take my pocket knife and I cut the entire pofadder snake off behind the knot. Now I was in a position that I could carry on with the bakkie for a while, that I can get to Taxi's garage to get the wheel fixed.